So you have your handstand. Maybe you've had it for a month. Maybe you've had it for a year. Maybe you've even had it for over a decade. But every time you kick up, you seem to fall forward or fall back the other direction. You just can't seem to hold it longer than a split second. Well, this is the video for you. The first thing you want to focus on when it comes to holding your handstand is your weight distribution. Now, you don't want all the weight just on the palm of your hand, or you're going to have a very hard time holding your handstand. You actually want most of your weight to be on the fingers. So you want to spread out your hands, your fingers wide like you're palming a basketball, so you can distribute the weight on the fingers. Some good drills to do: you can get on your hands and knees in the doggy position and rock forward and back. And every time you rock forward, you want to push yourself back using your fingers and wrist. And also another good drill is you want to do a knee plunge. And as you do this knee plunge, you want to work on keeping that weight on the fingertips so you can be prepared to hold a good, long, strong handstand. The next thing that you want to focus on is your core. Your core, of course, is the stomach and the muscles surrounding that. And a good way to work on this is simply to work on your headstand, because in your headstand, you have to use those same core muscles to stabilize yourself. So make sure you practice some good headstands in order to have a good, strong handstand. The next thing you want to focus on is your shoulder alignment. Because when you do a handstand, you want to make sure that alignment is straight up and down like a pencil. A good drill to practice this is kicking up to a handstand against the wall. You want to make sure you're trying to push your arms behind your head, extending those shoulders all of the way. Now, you want your eyes on your hands. However, you want the shoulders to be covered by your ears. And now you're ready to put it all together. The best place to do this is against the wall. You want to go kick up to a handstand against the wall, but you want a good distance between your hands and the wall. You want only your feet to touch the wall, and then you want to lift one foot at a time off the wall slowly, working on keeping the weight distributed on the fingers, keeping a tight core, and keeping the shoulders aligned. And slowly lift the other foot off the wall and work on that balance until you're ready to go without the wall and just straight up and kick into the handstand and hold it for a good amount of time. If this video has been helpful to you, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this with anyone you know who struggles with their handstand. And if you want some good drills just on kicking up to a strong handstand, make sure that you watch this video, which will give you just a few really quick step-by-step things that you could do in the comfort of your own home so you can get a strong handstand. You guys have a good day.